Another way to make a really simple pie crust that doesn't involve any rolling, that's easy and quick and uses ordinary things, is to use vegetable oil instead of butter or shortening or lard as in a traditional crust that you'd roll out. So I'm going to use a neutral flavored vegetable oil and a little bit of milk. Put those two together. Isn't that gorgeous? Like this, ooh, this is like a lava lamp. But you don't actually want that effect. You want to mix it up. So I just want to emulsify. I want to bring those two ingredients together. And you know what? What I love to do with this at home is to just put it in a jam jar. Shake that jar up. Gives you a little bit of activity. And that, you know what? It thickens up. See how it just looks luscious and pretty. And then I'm going to put flour, just all-purpose flour, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of salt. Remember, pie crust is flour and fat, pretty much. And I'm going to mix those together, get the salt and the sugar all mixed in. And notice these high-tech tools that I'm using. A fork. You have that. You can do this. You have a fork, a bowl. You can do this at home. Then I'm going to add my oil and milk mixture and just bring this together. And you're going to come up with a dough that is very, it's oily and it's thick. And you can roll this out. If you want to roll it out, if you want to do rolling, you can roll this out. I would suggest that you do it between 2 sheets of baking parchment or waxed paper. But what I really love about this crust is that it is ideal for using your hands. So instead of rolling this out, we're just going to press this into our pie pan. And I'm going to stop and switch to my favorite tool, my hands, and bring this all together into a nice dough thing. Okay, and that last bit, that's the thing. How do you get it all those crumbs together, everything moistened? And since I'm not rolling this out, I don't need extra flour. I'm going to bring this up here, and then I'm going to put a nice big clump in the middle, and then I'm going to distribute it around the sides just to make it easy to press it out, and I'm going to press it out with my hands. I've even seen people do this, mixing the whole thing in the pie pan. How's that for easy and not getting things dirty? But I like to do it in steps so you see where I'm going. And then it's just a matter of, isn't this like Play-Doh? Didn't you love Play-Doh when you were a kid? So it's just a matter of stretching it out. And you know, I think we're kind of afraid of pie crust. It's sort of supposed to be hard and people get intimidated, but it's actually very forgiving. And so if no matter what kind of crust you're using, if you're trying to put it in the pan and it tears or there's a hole, you can just take a little bit and press it on and, you know, cover things up, go back. It's a sturdy ingredient. And really what it is it's a pie delivery vehicle, in my opinion.